उड़ू ऊंचा।
Oh, what is going on here? I think someone is coming towards us. I am a dinosaur. I am a scary dinosaur. How was your day, dinosaur? Don't be scared, my friend. I was just kidding. Come, meet my friends. Here is the dog. Oh, he's such a friendly dog. Dolphin also likes me and play with me. You know, they are very smart. This is Donkey. He is so helpful to me and help me carry heavy things. This is a duck. Ducks can fly in the air, waddle on the land, and they can also swim in water. The dinosaur, the dog, the donkey, the dolphin, the duck. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter D. Say with me. D. 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 Look, the daddy is driving a car. He is going to the donut shop. There he meets the doctor. He is standing in a line to buy the donut. The deer is also there having the delicious donut. The daddy, the driving, the doctor, the donut, the deer, the delicious.
Like, share and subscribe.